Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study biology. Start by understanding the big picture of each topic before diving into specific facts. Visual learning is incredibly effective, so draw diagrams, create concept maps, and use flashcards for key terms. Make sure to engage during class, ask questions, participate in discussions, and get hands-on with lab activities. This active approach will solidify your understanding and make learning more enjoyable. When tackling complex biological processes, break them down into manageable, smaller steps. This makes it easier to understand the sequence of events. Employ mnemonics and acronyms to help you remember difficult terms or lists. Consistent review is crucial. Revisit your notes and materials frequently to reinforce what you've learned. Spaced repetition, for example, can significantly improve long-term retention of information. Practice is essential for success in biology. Work through as many practice questions as possible, including those from past exams, to familiarize yourself with question formats. Explaining concepts aloud to a friend or even to yourself can highlight areas where your understanding might be weak. Always try to connect new biological information to real-world examples. This makes the subject more relatable and memorable. To truly optimize your biology study, leverage the vast array of online resources available, including educational videos and interactive simulations. Remember that adequate sleep is vital for your brain to consolidate new information and perform at its best. Also, for those looking for quality gear, check out the link in the description for darn tough socks and other great deals. Taking care of your well-being is just as important as your study habits for academic success.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.